Please like, subscribe, and consider supporting our channel. The full raw, uncensored, no narrations, no captions, and an edited version of this body cam footage can be found in the description below. Please consider joining our YouTube channel membership. Subscriptions and donations will be used to acquire more public footage related to law enforcement activities. It really helps us do original full-length reporting like this. Sharing this video serves a compelling public interest because it is intended to illustrate the consequences of their actions and discourage others doing so. Defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty. Thank you all for the support.
He said I robbed him all that chocolate bar. He wanted to go in my fucking bag.
Relax.
I don't have more than a fucking chocolate bar. My bag is right here. You can check it. Look at the way he's gripping my shit.
Oh, we have to go inside. He's gonna go through what you have.
All right, so let's go.
All right.
All right, but I'm not going with you. And you grabbing my shit like this.
Ma'am,
let go of my bag.
All right, I'll hold the bag.
Hold the bag then.
Okay, I'll hold
let
the
go
bag.
of my fucking bag. Watch it on your goddamn fucking face. Nasty fuck.
All right, 9-6, I'm not with it.
Around 9:45 a.m. on May 19, 2025, officers Teddy Santiago and Marco Grossman with the Hoboken Police Department responded to a report of a shoplifting at ShopRite on 900 Madison Street. They walked into the vestibule area and immediately made contact with the alleged shoplifter. Security guards were holding her purse, which contained items that she had allegedly attempted to steal. As they walked towards the customer service desk to take a look inside her bag, the woman spat at a security guard in front of Captain David Olivera. He immediately placed her in handcuffs and informed her that she was under arrest.
Chocolate bar? A chocolate bar? A chocolate bar? You better have some goddamn...
Oh, come on! That's it. Stop. 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 That was not necessary. Come on. That was not necessary. Please put your sweater off, please.
A bitch! You're a bitch! A bitch! A bitch!
Relax. Relax.
You know, here in the background, you can see a hard time.
That's mine, because it's full of fucking olive oil.
that
All that's in there is swim shit, because I was swimming, and I wanted some soap to take a goddamn shower, you bitch!
Relax.
Can you take a goddamn shower? That's mine, it's empty. It's full, open it, open it, open it.
Ma'am, stop.
I'm shaking.
All right, relax.
I want to beat you silly, bitch.
224.
For a goddamn chocolate bar? Pay for it. Pay for my bar. Pay for my goddamn chocolate bar. Pay for the goddamn chocolate. Huh? Pay for it. Pay for it, bitch. You ain't a man. You a female. A female. Can you put my phone in my bag, please?
Yes.
So I don't lose
Give me a second. Just try to relax. Okay? I'll put your phone, your sweater, everything in your bag.
Choking is not my first time. It's my goddamn first time, bitch. You don't fucking know me. Over here acting like you fucking know me. Smart ass.
Headquarters 134. 134. Are you going from Jersey City?
Oh, this is too bad, too bad. This is too bad. So bad, it's too bad.
Yeah, hold on. All right. But give me a second. I have officers coming. Yeah. They'll be able to help you with that. The access to the bag is done? You don't need...
That's it, I don't need it.
Okay. I just want to make sure that she's got her own stuff. Hey, what's up? Yeah, she's under arrest for shoplifting. She also spit on him. Okay. Do you want to just put her in the car? I'll go with Teddy, Marco. And Marco, make sure you get the receipt. I'm sorry. This one's over here, okay? Let's see. How old are you?
22.
22? Okay. Just gonna put this on here, right?
Alright.
Here up. Alright, that windows are closed. I think it's not, I think it's like a chocolate bar or like something else. Okay. But she evacuated, she spit on him. Okay. I'll have Marco get the info. You alright? Yeah. I was trying to get on the radio, but I had her on at the same time. Yeah, we're in housing. Oh.
134 Bravo. Corresponding to your
I kind of, once they removed the stuff they were looking for, I just grabbed her phone and her sweater and I put it in the bag. Okay. Teddy, ask her if there's anything in there. Everything. Hey, what's your first name? Alexis? You have anything in the bag that we should know about? No? Like nothing in there? No? She says there's nothing in it. She says there's nothing in it, but... Just little personal hygiene stuff, like your phone, cream, Vaseline, soap, oil, a little Bluetooth speaker. No personal hygiene, Cap. Yeah. Thank you. I'll put it in the bag. That'd be good. Yeah. That sounds great. He gave you like the receipt? Yeah. His name and all that. Alright. You ever been arrested before? No? Okay. We're gonna go up to police headquarters, okay? You're gonna get processed, and then most likely you're gonna get released on a summons if you have no history, okay? So, just gonna be a little bit. We're gonna go up, and then we're gonna do some paperwork, okay? Come on. Yeah, that's my mileage. I hate this truck. Yeah. Well, sometimes what I do is like, there you go. I thought it was 50434. Disappears. 50434. 103. Alright, we're going to be transporting female 1025 to headquarters, starting mileage 50434.0. Observe, Teddy.
134 Bravo, is they less than route?
The alleged shoplifter did not have any identification on her and initially gave the officers a false name, but she was eventually identified as 23-year-old Ashley Gonzalez. Ashley was escorted to the patrol car, placed inside, and transported to the Hoboken Police Department for further processing. At the station, it was discovered that she had an outstanding warrant from Bayonne for simple assault, a 2C-1 warrant. Ashley was charged with shoplifting 2C-21 Lundrev B1 and harassment 2C-334C before she was transported to the Hudson County Correctional Facility.
103.
Go ahead.
ShopRite. What's this? Let's go your bag. You have like an idea?
No.
No idea? No. See right here. Hold on a second. Let's put this away. I'm just gonna sit down here. We're gonna get a few holes. That's gonna search here, okay? But take this off.
Court records indicate that Ashley had previously been arrested for 1 count of simple assault, 2 counts of unlawful possession of a weapon, 2C Hun 39, and 1 count of criminal mischief, 2C Fun Scene 3A1s in Bayonne, New Jersey on January 24, 2024. She also has an active case out of North Bergen, New Jersey on allegations of simple assault, 2C 1 of 1 wire on June 20, 2024.
Can I get my sweater?
Yeah, just give me a second.
I'm gonna give you sweater right there.
Alright, just give me 1 second. Let's have a seat. Can I grab your feet?